Hi, today we're going to talk some more about nouns. Now, last week you learned that nouns are a person, place, thing, animal, or idea. Today I'm going to teach you what a singular noun is. Singular noun just means there's only one of those person, place, things, animals, or ideas that you thought of. So down in the picture I see one teacher, and that's a singular noun because there's just one. Then there's a picture of a book. There's just one book. And a library is just one place. So singular just means one. Next, we're going to talk about plural nouns. Now, plural nouns just mean more than one. So it's more than one person or more than one place, thing, animal, or idea. And to change the word from a singular noun to a plural noun, most nouns we just have to add an S to the end. So let's look at the picture. I see a picture of a little boy and a crayon. The word crayon is written under him. Crayon, there's just one. But to change that word crayon to like the box of crayons, all we did was add an S. So plural nouns just mean more than one. Now, sometimes there are special words that have to have an ES at the end instead of just an S. So, words that end with CH, SH, S, or X will all have ES added to the end of them. The first picture is a picture of a branch. But to make that more than one branch, we have to change the word and add an ES at the end to make branches. The picture on the bottom is a picture of a brush. It's just one brush. But to change that to brushes, we have to add ES. And here's the S and the X words I was talking about. Dress is just one dress. To change it to dresses, we must add the E and the S at the end. Axe ends with an X. That's just one. But to change it to more than one, we must add an E and an S to the end. All right, let's sort some singular and plural nouns. Now remember, singular means one, plural means more than one. My first picture is a rooster. Let's think about the word rooster. Does that just mean one or does it mean more than one? Rooster. Well, it just means one. So let's put that over here, singular, because singular nouns are just one. The next one is buildings. I see a hint right there at the end. There's an S at the end of that sentence. So that means more than one. Let's put that in the plural column. The next picture is a picture of a pig. Pig is singular, it's just one. And the next one is a horse. Look at that picture. It's just one horse. So it will be singular as well. The next picture is a picture of ducks. Oh, there's that hint there with the S at the end. That means it's more than one. It'll be plural. I see another one that says cows. Cows. That means more than one cow, right? That would be plural. Next one is farmer. Farmer is just one farmer, so he goes over here in the singular column. The last one is pigs, and I see an S at the end. That means it's more than one, and plural means more than one. All right, on this last part, we are going to take a singular word and make it plural. So my first word is farm. I'm going to click over here and we're going to spell farms because we need to make it plural. Now remember, there was most of our nouns, we can just add an S to the end, but there's some tricky ones. Those tricky ones were words that ended with CH, SH, X, or S. So we'll be looking for those, okay? Farm, well, it ends with an M, so I think we can just add an S. Let's spell farm. Farms, we're going to spell farms. F-A-R-M, and add the S at the end to make it more than one farm. Let's make this word duck over here more than one duck. So we want to change the word to ducks. D-U-C-K, and we have to add the S. Ducks. All right, our next word is cow. We want to change it to more than one cow. So we're trying to make the word cows. C, cow, with an S at the end. Cows. All right, this is the word bus. Uh-oh, I see an S at the end. That was one of those special ones. So let's see if we remember. We can't just add an S. We have to add ES. So let's spell the word buses. B-U-S, and we add E-S. The next one is the word brush. Uh-oh, I see that CH. That means we need to do something different besides just add an S. We need to add ES. Let's spell the word brushes. B-R-U-S-H-E-S to make it brushes. The next one is peach. There's a CH. Uh-oh, there's one of those. We can't just add an S. We have to add ES. So let's copy the word peach, P-E-A-C-H, and then we must add ES to the end. And the last one is box. Box ends with an X, just like axe did, remember? So we need to add not just an S, but ES. So B-O-X-E-S. Great.